Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss 3, 4, 5 problems in exercise 1.5 in real numbers of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before doing these problems, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's do the problems. Yeah. See, this is the third question in exercise 1.5. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given x is equal to log 3 to the base 2 and y is equal to log 5 to the base 2. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. It is given that x is equal to log 3 to the base 2 and y is equal to log 5 to the base 2. So, we have to write these expressions in the terms of x and y. X and y, let us write one by one. Here totally 4 problems as given now. Yeah. Let us take first one. Solution first one. Log 15 to the base 2. Log 15 to the base 2. Yes, log 15 to the base 2 is equal to, this also can be written as, see, 15 how can you write? 3 into 5 to the base 2. Log 3 into 5 to the base 2. So this how can you write? Log 3 to the base 2. Here log x into y is equal to log x plus log y, right? Log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Right? Since log x y is equal to log x plus log y. Understood? Log xy is equal to log x plus log y. In the same way, I have written log 15 in the form of 3 into 5. Log 3 into 5 is equal to log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Yes. Here, log 3 to the base 2 given as x plus log 5 to the base 2 as given as y. So, that is equal to x plus y. Therefore, log 15 to the base 2 in the form of, in the terms of x and y is x plus y. Understood clearly? Yes, coming to the next one. Yes. Log, second one. Log 7.5 to the base 2. Log 7.5 to the base 2 is equal to, how can you write this one? Look here. Log 7.5 is also can be written as 75 by 10, isn't it? After the decimal, one digit is there, that's why I have kept 10 to the base 2. That is equal to log, in 75 and 10, which table get cancelled? Yes, fifth table. 5 15s are, 5 2s are, right? Log 15 by 2 to the base 2. Log 15 by 2 to the base 2, right? So this is equal to, look here, log 15 by 2. It is also can be written as log 15 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Right. So log x by y is equal to, since log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So that's why I have written log 15 by 2 is equal to log 15 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Yes, again this can be, how can you write? Log 15, 3 into 5, right? Log 3 into 5 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Log a to the base a will be 1. So, 1. Since log a to the base a is equal to 1. Right, this can be log 3 into 5 means log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Since log xy is equal to log x plus log y, right, that is equal to log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. I have written this one and minus 1 is there, minus 1 keep here. So now from the data, from the question itself, log 3 to the base 2 is equal to x. This is x plus this is y minus 1. So x plus y minus 1. So I have written log 7.5 to the base 2 in the form of, in terms of x means x plus y minus 1. Therefore, Write down log 7.5 to the base 2 is equal to x plus y minus 1. So have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, third question. Yes, third one. Log 60 to the base 2. Yes, log 60 to the base 2. How can you write it? Yes, 60 is divided into the factors. 60. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are. 60 is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5, right? So this will be log 2 square into 3 into 5 to the base 2. Right? Log 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 square is 4. 3 5s are 15. 4 15s are 60. Yes, that is equal to. This also can be written as log 2 square to the base 2. Here log x into y into z. Log x plus log y plus log z. So log 2 square to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Right? Since if you want to write log x y z is equal to log x plus log y plus log z. Right? So in the same way I have written this one. So this can be written as 2 square. This will be m log x is equal to, yes, log x power m, no? So that's why log x power m is equal to m log x. 2 log 2 to the base 2 plus this is log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Yes, here 2 into log 2 to the base 2. Log 2 to the base 2 will be, yes, 1. So this will become 1. So 2 into 1 plus, now apply this one. According to the data, log 3 to the base 2 is x plus log 5 to the base 2 is y. So that is equal to 2 1s are 2 plus x plus y. So I have written log 60 to the base 2 in terms of x and y is 2 plus x plus y. Therefore, log 60 to the base 2 is equal to 2 plus x plus y. Understood clearly? Yeah. Next one. Fourth one. Final one is in the first sum, third sum. Yeah. Log 6750 to the base 2. Log 6750 to the base 2 is equal to, how can you write this one? As 6750. So write in the product of prime factors. 6750. 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are. Now second table cannot be cancelled. Third table. Yes, 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. Again third table. 3 3s are 9. 2 is there. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are. Again third table. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are. 5 25s are. 5 5s are. Yes, 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. Right? So how can you write this one? Log 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube to the base 2. Log 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube to the base 2. So that is equal to, how can you write? Log 2 to the base 2 plus log 3 cube to the base 2 plus log 5 cube to the base 2. Yes, since log x y z is equal to log x plus log y plus log z. Right, that is equal to, this will be log 2 to the base 2 will be, yes, 1 plus this will be log x power m is equal to m log x, no? So 3 log 3 to the base 2 plus this will be 3 log 5 to the base 2. Since log x power m is equal to m log x. Understood? Yeah. So 1 plus 3 into here log 3 to the base 2 apply according to the data. Log 3 to the base 2 is x plus 3 into log 5 to the base 2 is y. So that is equal to how much we have got? What we have got? 1 plus 3x plus 3y. What is that? As log 6750 to the base 2 in the terms of x and y is 1 plus 3x plus 3y. Therefore, log 6750 to the base 2 is equal to 1 plus 3x plus 3y. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, fourth question. Expand the following. Expand the following: log 1000, log 128 by 625, log x square y cube z power 4, log p square into q cube by r, log root of x cube by y square. We have to expand these logarithmic expressions, right? Let us do one by one. Yeah, solution. First one, let us take log 1000. Yes, log 1000 is equal to, how can you write? Yes, 1000 means 10 into 10 into 10, which means 10 cube. Log 10 cube. Right. So log 10 cube means this can be written as 3 log 10. Isn't it? 3 log 10. Since log x power m is equal to m log x. Isn't it? Log x power m is equal to m log x. So in the same way I have written 3 log 10. Yes, this is equal to 3 log 10 can be written as 2 into 5 only, na? 10 can be written as 2 5 is 10. So this is equal to 3 log 2 plus log 5. Isn't it? Since log xy is equal to log x plus log y. So expanded form of log 1000 is equal to 3 into log 2 plus log 5. Therefore, log 1000, how can I have written? 3 into log 2 plus log 5. Understood clearly? Yes, coming to the next one. Second one, log 128 by 625. Log 128 by 625, how can you write? Yes, log x by y. Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So this will be log 128 minus log 625. Right? Since log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Is it clear? Yes, that is equal to log 128. As power of 2, how can you write? Yes, log 2 power 7. Isn't it? 2 power 7 is 128. Minus log 625. 625 as power of 5 is 5 power 4. 5 power 4. Right. So log 2 power 7. How can you write this? Log x power m is equal to m log x, right? So in the same way, how can you write this one? This is 7 log 2 minus 5 log 4. Since log x power m is equal to m log x. Is it clear? So log 128 by 625 in expanded form 7 log 2 minus 5 log 4. That is only write down. Therefore, log 128 by 625 is equal to 7 log 2 minus 5 log 4. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, third one. Log x square y cube z power 4. Yes, log x square y cube z power 4. How can you write this one? Look here, log xyz is equal to log x plus log y plus log z. So in the same way, this one log x square plus log y cube plus log z cube, right? Yes, log this is x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. Since log xyz is equal to log x plus log y plus log z. Right. So Here this is equal to log x square. How can you write this one? 2 log x, right? Why? Because of log x power m is equal to m log x. In the same way, this one 3 log y plus 4 log z, isn't it? Since log x power m is equal to m log x, right? So log x square y cube z power 4 in the form of expanded form 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Therefore, log x square y cube z power 4 is equal to 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Is it clear? Yes. Coming to the next one. Fourth, log p square q cube by r as log p square q cube by r. How can you write? First, this one taken as x and this is taken as y. Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So that's only write down. So log, this will be p square q cube minus log r. Since log x by y is equal to log x minus log y, right? Yeah. Now again this taken as log x into y. Log x into y means log x plus log y. So this can be written as log p square plus log q cube minus log r. Since log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Again this one. This is log p square means 2 log p. Yeah. 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. Since log x power m is equal to m log x. So we have to thoroughly by heart these formulae. What are those? Log x by y, log xy, log x power m. Right. So for using of this formula, I have written this one log p square as 2 log p plus log q cube as 3 log q. This is as it is log r. So the expanded form of log p square q cube by r is equal to 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. Therefore, log p square q cube by r is equal to 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. Have you understood clearly? Let's note it down. I will explain that also. Next, fifth one. Log root of x cube by y square. Right? Yes. Log root of x cube by y square is equal to, this is root of, no, that's why whole power 1 by 2 will occurs, right? Yes, that is equal to log x cube whole power 1 by 2 and this is y square whole power 1 by 2 also, isn't it? So that is equal to log x power 3 by 2 by 2 get be cancelled, no, y only. Right, log x power 3 by 2 by y. Here now it is in the form of log x by y. Log x by y is log x minus log y. This can be written as log x power 3 by 2 minus log y. Since log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Right, so that is equal to, again this can be written as log x power m log x. So that is equal to 3 by 2 log x minus log y. Since log x power m is equal to m log x. Right. So the expanded form of log root of x cube by y square is equal to 3 by 2 log x minus log y. Therefore, log root of x cube by y square is equal to 3 by 2 log x minus log y. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next question. If x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Given x square plus y square is equal to 25xy only. So we have to prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Let us prove. Yeah. Solution. Take given that x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. Given, no? Yeah. Here we should get 2 log x plus y. Log x plus y means suppose m log x is equal to what? Log x power m, which means log x plus y whole square. So x plus y whole square we should get. So that's why here it is only x square plus y square. If we want to get x plus y whole square, we should add plus 2xy, no? X square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to x plus y whole square, right? So here then add x plus 2xy here LHS. Here add means RHS also we should add, right? Yes. Add 2xy on both sides. On both sides, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 25xy plus 2xy, right? Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which means a plus b whole square, that is x plus y whole square is equal to 25xy plus 2xy. Yes, 27xy we got. 27. Now here x plus y whole square is there. So here we want to get 2 log x plus y is equal to, no? So apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. What will happen? This will be log x plus y whole square is equal to log 27xy, isn't it? Log 27xy. Now log x power m is equal to m log x, right? So this will be 2 log x plus y. 2 log x plus y. See, 2 log x plus y we have got. That is equal to, this can be log 27 into log 27 into x into y means, yes, this will be log 27 plus log x plus log y, isn't it? So that is equal to log 27 means 3 cube plus log x plus log y. So that is equal to log x power m. Yes, m log x. This will be 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So this is, what is that? 2 log x plus y is equal to 2 log x plus y is equal to, finally what we have got? 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. We have got now? Yes, hence proved. Have you understood? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.